Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're digging into Family Mart Pro, an online store that sells gardening supplies like seeds and soil boosters. But the real question is it legit or just another online scam? Quick disclaimer, this video is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. We're not making legal claims, just sharing the facts and feedback we've found so you can decide for yourself. At first glance, FamilyMartPro.com looks like a typical e-commerce site. They sell a variety of garden products like Green Envy Boost, Dream Garden Mix, and seed packs. Prices seem reasonable and the site looks polished. But here's the problem. There's no clear company information, no contact number, no address, and no About Us page. That's always a red flag. Now, here's where things get shady. We looked at Reddit and the complaints are pretty serious. One customer said they ordered seeds and got a delivery confirmation, but the tracking showed it was delivered to Oklahoma, even though they live in Delaware. When they reached out, Family Mart Pro first insisted it was delivered, then claimed it was stuck at customs. Another customer had the exact same experience, except their package was marked as delivered to Las Vegas, while they live in Washington state. And the company's response, check with your post office or maybe a neighbor. That's a huge red flag. For the final verdict, based on what we've seen, Family Mart Pro does not appear to be a trustworthy store. The fake tracking, changing stories, and lack of company transparency all point to this being a scam operation. If you're looking to buy gardening supplies online, it's best to stick with well-reviewed and verified retailers. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.